Brad Williams, XL primed. We have this expand the 9 row. We have 9 rows here by 3. We want to increase this left 1 column and up. How are we going to do this? We're going to use a VSTACK and HSTACK. We're going to increase this column here. We're going to VSTACK 1 column. We're going to HSTACK 3 rows. Looking at these independently, we have this VSTACK, HSTACK series. We have this nesting here. Here's HSTACK independent. Continue to state this over and over and over again. If you're not certain as to how this thing is flowing, look at these independently. Here's HSTACK, E5 to E13. Recognize what we're doing. E5, we have to pick column, E5 to E13. Then if we look at VSTACK independently, we're going to see C5 to E17. We're looking at C5, E17. A little quirky. I don't recognize. This is the cloud. This is the problem you may face. This thing, see what happens? Fortunately, our information's saved. We're looking at C15 to E17. We're looking at this odd-looking configuration, but this is what we incorporate with this VSTACK. This is what VSTACK produces. Then go back to HSTACK and see what it produces. Notice we have this E5 to E13, which is this blank column. Then we have C5 to D13. When you put this together, think through this. This is quirky. Why are we only putting 2 in this VSTACK? Notice we're only looking at C15 to E17 to create 3. Well, the reason being is this HSTACK is going to fill this space in. Then the VSTACK will stack on top of it. My suggestion is you do exactly what I just did. This narrative, it's short and sweet. The reason being, you're going to need to just go through and practice. That's my only recommendation. I'm going to leave it at that. I want you to work through this thing. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks for watching.